Hello everybody, today we make a Tangelocello. With the ingredient we got Tangelo, sugar, water, alcohol, and this is the alcohol I use. If you want to not use this, you can use vodka. Now before I start, I want to say something. A lot of people ask me, Pasquale, you did the limoncello, why mine not come out the same like you did? But the people who did the limoncello, it was go too deep. And when you go too deep, you take the white skin out and it come out a different color. Now I show this the way I'm doing. And you start the peel off, no push too much the peel. And you go like this, you see? And you go all the way around, and you gotta go right on this ball over here. And look how beautiful it come. Okay, you don't gotta go too deep. And I want to show, look at this. You see how beautiful? That's the way it gotta be. And we put it right on this jar over here. And we gotta do all 6 the same way I do this one. Now, so you don't got a Tangelo, you can use any kind of the orange. It's the same thing. Okay, you see? That's the way you gotta do. Because you go more deep, it's no good. Only the skin. Now I finish the Tangelo and look with the way it look like. Make sure you do the same. And now it's a time of alcohol. And we put right on this bowl over here. Oh, I like them drink, but it's too strong. Let's go over here. Oh, look how beautiful color it got. Now this, you need the cover. And you cover, make sure the seal is good. After seal, you give a little shake. And look how beautiful. Okay, now this, one time it's done like this, I keep in the basement in a cool place and no lights. And every couple of days or 3 days, you go, you pick it up, and you shake like this. And you leave. This you gotta stay for 1 month. Now, so somebody not got no basement, it's okay. Maybe you can put on the refrigerator. But me, I keep in the basement, it gets cold and no lights. And now this, it's ready. But look at the beautiful the color I got. Really beautiful. Now this, nothing got this at all away. Now what I gotta do, I'm squeeze and I'm drink. Now it's 1 month. Today it's ready. Look how beautiful. And we gotta do today Tangelocello. Okay, now we gotta make a simple syrup. And we gotta boil the water first. I got the pots right over here. And let's put the gas on. Now, one time the water start to boil, we gotta put the sugar. Okay, now the water it's on the stove, you gotta boil. At the time the water gotta boil, we gotta drain this. And look at that beautiful color. Oh, so strong. Make sure the drain really, really good. Okay. Look how beautiful color you got. Really, really nice. You drink one of this, goodbye Charlie. You go sleep so easy. This is so strong. Ooh. Okay, now the water start to boil. And I lower the gas. And let's put the sugar. Okay, and now let's throw this like this. Beautiful. Okay, everything you gotta be melted really good with the sugar. And we turn the gas off. And now this you gotta cool off. Okay, the simple syrup, it's really nice cold. And now we mix it together. And we put it right on this bowl over here. Oh, look at this. We got beautiful, and now we mix. Look at beautiful look now. Now it's a time, this is now one time, it's a really nice cold liver stay. And we give a nice drink. Good, the last drop. Now it's time of the taste. This, it's a nice glass of freeze. Look at the color. It's a froze. Let's taste it now. So good. It goes so easy. You don't gotta push a knot, it goes by itself. And this salute e cin cin ad everybody. I hope somebody make this cin cin e salute to everybody. Cin cin. Good. Okay, now let's put on this beautiful bottle and make sure this they keep in the refrigerator. Okay, now everybody say, what you gotta do the rest? No worry about it. I got my sink over here. This is my sink. I not throw away. This I put in a little bottle. And tonight, cin cin e salute.